Let's look at this question. Define a class parking lot. The name of the class is parking lot, and all these are the instance variables v, number, hours and bill. Okay, and these are the functions of the class: input, calculate and display. And of course you have to write a main method to create an object of the class and call the above methods. So the class is created, name is parking lot, all the instance variables are declared and the input function has been defined. Inside the input function we declare a scanner object. Using that object we take the v number, we take the hours. Okay, the bill amount will be calculated in the calculate function. So let's come to the definition of the calculate function. So here we are doing 3 plus hours minus 1 into 1.5. Okay, so what's happening here? So for the first, let's come back to the question. Here it's given to compute the parking charge at the rate of rupees 3 for the first hour. Okay, so for the first hour the charge is rupees 3, and after that it will be 1.5. Okay, it will be 1.5 for each additional hour. So that's why here, let's say the number of hours here is 1. So what will happen? 1 minus 1 will give me 0. So 0 into 1.5 will be 0 and the charge will be 3, isn't it? So if the number of hours is 1, that means the bill will be 3, and that is what we need to do according to the question, isn't it? So for the first hour only the charge will be only rupees 3. Okay, then let's say that the number of hours is 3 now. In hours there was 3. So here we'll have 3 minus 1. Okay, so for the first hour 3 is there. In that 3 we are adding 3 minus 1 into 1.5. So 3 minus 1 will give me 2. 2 into 1.5. Okay, that will be 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. For the first hour it is 3 rupees. For the second hour it is 1.5. For the third hour it is 1.5. So if you add this you will get 6. Okay, now the display function will simply display the values of all the instance variables: v, number, hours and bill. And then finally we create the main function and we create an object of the parking lot class. Okay, obj parking lot. Okay, and then using this function we call the input function, then we call the calculate function, and then we call the display function. So the order of this calling must be appropriate. You should not call the display function first, because you will not have any data available. Okay, and similarly you cannot call the the calculate functions also first, because you don't have the number of hours to calculate. So therefore you need to first of all call the input, then calculate and then display. So I hope you have understood this program.